So this is PQ7 number 5, and the problem says tangent x over 2 minus sine x equals 0. So the first thing that I'm going to do is tangent x over 2 is the half angle. So the half angle formula for tangent is 1 minus cosine x over sine x. The reason that I'm doing that is because sine and cosine are always easier to work with. Things will always cancel out. As opposed to tangent, it's just cleaner and easier to work with. So the negative sine x I'm going to move to the other side. From there, we can multiply both sides by sine of x to get rid of the denominator on this side. So we end up with 1 minus cosine x equals sine squared x. And sine squared x is actually an identity, so we have 1 minus cosine squared x. And then from there, we can subtract 1 from both sides. And we can add cosine squared x to both sides. And from there we can factor out a cosine x. So that'll be cosine x minus 1. And at this point it's just a matter of the zero product property. So cosine x equals 0. And where does cosine of x equal 0? 90 degrees and 270 degrees. So that's basically where does x equals 0. And then cosine x minus 1 equals 0. So cosine x equals 1. And where does that happen? 0 degrees only. So that is our answer for PQ7 number 5.